Services classes. So in front of you is a question directly from the question paper of ISI MSQMS. So the first question in front of you is about limits, right? So how to solve this? So we are given this. So let us write down L is equals to limit of n tends to infinity. And let us write down this structure, this part in the form of summation. So we can write down summation r is equals to 1 to 99 r to the power 99 by n to the power 100. Now this can also be written as limit n tends to infinity 1 by n summation r is equals to 1 to 99 r by n whole to the power 99. So we have taken 1 by n out and we have r by n to the power 99. Now let us take integration. So this part will be the integration, so that is dx. Here this is, let us put as x. So we are going to take the integration from the interval 0 to 1 x to the power 99 dx. So if we integrate it within this interval, so we get x to the power 100 by 100 0 to 1. So if you put the values, that is 1 to the power 100 minus 0, so we will get the answer as 1 by 100. So the answer is B. Let's quickly look at the second question. So here we are given two conditions, and using these two conditions, we have to find out the relation between ABC as given in the options, right? So let's start with the first condition. So let us write down the first and the fourth part together and second and the third part together. That is 1 by A plus 1 by C minus B and plus 1 by C plus 1 by A minus B. Now this is equals to 0. Now let us simplify these part by part. So let's take the LCM of first two. So we will get C minus B plus A by A into C minus B plus A minus B plus C divided by C into A minus B. This is equals to 0. Now here, if we look at the numerator, then we have A plus C minus B, A plus C minus B. So we can take it as common. So let us take it as common, like A plus C minus B. So we have 1 by A into C minus B plus 1 by C into A minus B is equals to 0. Correct? Now, from the second condition, it is clear that A plus C is not equals to B, right? That means A plus C is not equals to B. So this part cannot be 0. So for this equation to be 0, I need this to be 0. So that is 1 by A into C minus B plus 1 by C into A minus B is equals to 0. Now let's solve. So what do we get? We get minus of C A minus B is equals to A into C minus B. So this is minus AC plus BC is equals to AC minus AB. Right? So here we get 2AC is equals to BC plus AB. Now if I take B as common and take it to this side, right, and take AC on the other side, that is 2 by B is equals to C by AC plus A by AC. That is 2 by B is equals to 1 by A plus 1 by C. So from this relation, it is very clear that A, B and C are in HP series. So the option C is the correct answer. Let us have a look at the next question. So here it is given that AB is equals to 2A plus 2B, and we have to find out the minimum value of A into B. So let us start with the given condition, that is AB is equals to 2A plus 3B. Okay. So from here, like if we take it to the side, then we can take A as common and we get it as B minus 2, which is equals to 3B, right? Now from here, A is equals to 3b by b minus 2. Now let us add and subtract 6. Okay, so if we simplify, what do we get? Right, after LCM we get this. So before LCM, what should be the answer here? So we can write it down as 3 plus 6 by b minus 2. We can write this as this. See, if we simplify this, what do we get? If we take the LCM as b minus 2, then it is 3b minus 6 and we have plus 6. So this is the way we can write down the structure, this equation, right? Now, so this is A. Now let us say, let y is equals to A into B, right? Now that is equals to how much? So I will multiply B here. So I will get 3b plus 6b by b minus 2, right? Now let's say again add 12 and subtract 12. After this, then what can we get here? I can write down y is equals to 3b plus 6 plus 12 by b minus 2. So again, if I take the LCM, I will get this as answer. So let's check how. See, 3b is as it is. Now this part, so this is 6 into b, 6b. 6 into 2 is minus 12 and I have 1 plus 12. So this becomes the LCM of this part. So I can write down my y equation like this. Now what is my objective in this question? I'm going to find out the minimum value of a into b. Now I know that y is equals to ab. So let us find out the value of y for which ab is minimum. That is first order condition for minimization, which requires dy So we're going to find out the value of b, right? So which requires dy by db, okay? Is equals to 0. That is 3 plus 12 by b minus 2 whole square, and here we will have minus 1. Now this is equals to 0. So from here you get 3 is equals to 12 by b minus 2 whole square. So that is b minus 2 whole square is equals to, so this gets cancelled, this is 4. So 4 or b minus 2 is equals to 2, right? Now that means the value of b, so basically this is plus minus 2 because square, we're taking square root, so this can be plus minus 2. That means we have two values of b, that is b is equals to 0 or b is equals to 4. Now let's move back to the question and let's have a look at the condition that it is given in the question, that b is greater than 0. That means b, I cannot be 0. So I have to consider the value b is equals to 4. Right? So that means at b is equals to 4, then how much is a? From this condition, if I put the value of b is equals to 4 in this condition, and can find out the value of a. So let us put the value of b and calculate a. That is a is equals to 3 plus 6 by b minus 2. That is equals to 3 plus 6 by 4 minus 2, or a is equals to 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Then what is the value of AB? Therefore, AB is equals to 24. So that is the answer. So let's see what is our option here. Yes, C is the option. 24 is the correct answer. So the next question is on integration. So we are given, we have to find out the value of integration minus infinity to 0 e to the power x plus e to the power x dx. Now this we can write it down as minus infinity to 0 e to the power x into e to the power x dx. Right. Now let t is equals to exponent of e to the power x. So if we take the derivative, that is dt is equals to, we get e to the power ex into e to the power x dx. So from here, this part, this right hand side part is equals to dt. That means I can put here this whole part just as dt, and I need to change the intervals, right? That is, when x is equals to minus infinity, then the value of t will be 1, and when the value of x is 0, so this is e to the power 0, so e to the power 1, so this is 0. That means like this, at x is equals to minus infinity, t is equals to 1, and at x is equals to 0, t is equals to e. So this is the new interval. So now my integration looks like 1 to e dt. So I have put all the values with terms of t. So what do I get after integration? So I get t from 1 to e. So the answer is e minus 1. That is our option